You're probably wondering what's happening behind me. This is an exciting day, something I've never done before. Stick around to the end of the video because I've got a Travis Matthew swag pack coming your way. Building at Bearspaw is ready to come down. The new clubhouse behind me is actually just getting ready to be open next spring. Wow. I mean, this is not even recognizable anymore. Look at this space, hey? Oh, this used to be the trophy case at the club here as you first walked in. Beautiful spot for that. Come down the hallway. I mean, obviously it's a construction site. We're not looking at actually salvaging anything that hasn't been salvaged at this point. So there's really not a whole lot left in here that has any value at all anymore. We've taken everything out. You know, I haven't been an owner at Bearspaw for a long time, just since last November. But there's a lot of history at this club, and we want to make sure we're respectful of that history. We've taken little mementos and historical items from this clubhouse, trying to see how we can incorporate some of those things into the new clubhouse. So as we walk along, I just wanted this to be a little bit of a reflection on the past so we can see where this club has been and where it'll be going to. Doing this and swinging and taking a turn. So here we go. Swing number one. Right in the frame. Come on, Gord.
I didn't get that door.
I don't think you get the door. Come through. It's tempered glass. Open chair. Okay. Wow! Waiting to do that for 25 minutes? I have. Actually the pro shop, the original pro shop at Bearspaw. I would say at least half that building's down now. I mean, we're like 20-30 minutes into this process. That building is coming down quick. Originally, this building here, which is actually the main clubhouse, the original clubhouse of Bearspaw, it was gonna come down today as well, but there's a high wind warning this afternoon, and we made a decision to wait a few days when we've got a little bit better weather again, and then we'll take this building down. What a great experience today was, demoing the pro shop at Bearspaw in preparation for the main clubhouse. Not something I've ever done before, and was definitely looking forward to today. Don't forget about the swag pack with Travis Matthew. In order to enter that, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and make a comment below. We'll be making an announcement on the next vlog on who the winner of that was. Definitely had a lot of fun today. Please, I appreciate it if you like this video. If you have other comments and ideas about different videos, let us know. Anything to do with the golf business, golf in general. Love to hear what your feedback is. Thanks for watching. See you next time.